Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn geometry. Geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles and dimensions of things. Flat shapes like squares, circles and triangles are a part of flat geometry and are called 2D shapes. These shapes have only two dimensions, the length and the width. Examples of 2D shapes in flat geometry are circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Point. A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, that is no width, no length and no depth. A point is shown by a dot. It occupies some space. For example, you can see the dots. Collinear points. Three or more points that lie on the same line are collinear points. Line. A line is defined as a line of points that extends infinitely in two directions. It has one dimension, that is the length. A line is defined by 2 points and is written as shown below with an arrowhead. A line has no end points. Parallel lines. Parallel lines can be defined as two lines in the same plane that are at equal distance from each other and never meet. Perpendicular lines. A line is said to be perpendicular to another line if the two lines intersect at a right angle. Just look at the diagram. Here, AB is perpendicular to XY because AB and XY intersect each other at 90 degree. Intersecting lines. When two or more lines cross each other in a plane, they are called intersecting lines. The intersecting lines share a common point which exists on all the intersecting lines and is called the point of intersection. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is connected by 2 points. It has 2 end points. We can measure the length of a line segment. Ray. A ray is a part of a line with a start point but no end point. Exercise 4.1. Fill in the blanks. A line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by, just write AB, draw a line on the top and put arrows on both sides. Next, a line segment from point B to point A is denoted by BA. Above that, since being line segment, just draw only a small line without arrows. Next, a ray has dash end point. A ray has one end point. How many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. There are 10 line segments. They are PA, PB, PC, PQ, next AB, AC, AQ, BC, BQ and CQ. From the given figure, identify the parallel lines, the intersecting lines and the points of intersection. Just look at the diagram, children. We know that parallel lines, they will not meet. So let us see the pairs of parallel lines. CD and AB are parallel lines. Similarly, EF and GH are parallel lines. Next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means they will meet at a point. For this, CD and EF. Next, CD and GH. AB and EF and AB and GH. These are all intersecting lines. Point of intersection. Look at the diagram. P, Q, R and S. They are the points of intersection. From the given figure, name the parallel lines, intersecting lines, points of intersection. Parallel lines again, CD and EF, CD and IJ, EF and IJ. They are parallel lines. Intersecting lines, AB and CD, AB and GH, AB and EF, AB and IJ, GH and IJ. They are intersecting lines. By looking at the diagram, P, Q and R are the points of intersection. From the given figure, name all pairs of parallel lines, all pairs of intersecting lines, pair of lines whose point of intersection is V, point of intersection of the lines L2 and L3 and point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5. Just look at the diagram, children. Now we are going to find pairs of parallel lines. They are L3 and L4, L4 and L5 and L3 and L5. Next, pairs of intersecting lines. L1 and L2, L1 and L3, L1 and L4, L1 and L5, L2 and L3, L2 and L4, L2 and L5. Lines L1 and L2 intersect at V. Point of intersection of the lines L2 and L3 is Q. Next, point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5 is U.